Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. I'm out here in Minneapolis, Minnesota. I just picked up a new project. It's right here behind me. Check it out. It's a 2006 Chevy Suburban Z71. I got it from Copart. I got it very cheap. Has 172,000 miles. It was being sold by State Farm Insurance because the truck had been vandalized. So it has both driver's side windows broken, the rear lift gate broken, and you come around from this side, the rear passenger window is broken. Fortunately, they didn't break the windshield and they didn't break the sunroof. Everything works on the car. It runs and drives pretty well. The engine runs well. It has a check engine light on. It's for O2 sensors and some evap codes. Nothing major. It does have a dent in the back. And the bumper is rusted out, but the tow hitch works fine. You know, the frame isn't rusted. It's just the surface of the bumper got rusted out. These are just the struts for the rear glass. So, but one thing that has me a little nervous is I drove here on my Lexus, so now I have to use the Suburban to tow the Lexus. Yeah. And this is the first time ever in my life that I've towed a trailer. I've never towed a trailer in my life, so I'm nervous, driving super slow. I just got the car in the trailer and strapped down correctly. Took me about 30 minutes to do that. You know, I'm an amateur when it comes down to that stuff. But this is a new truck. Oh yeah, when I got it, it had a flat tire and no spare, so I had to get it towed to the tire shop and get a brand new tire on the right front. The left front tire is not new, but it'll have to do for now. Both of the back tires appear to be new, and I checked the production date. They're tires that were made in 2020, so they're pretty good tires in the back. The left front one, I don't know about that, but it's okay. It'll make it. We're gonna get this fixed. I already sourced the bumper and everything. The bumper is actually dirt cheap to get a new one. The whole entire bumper, mounting brackets and everything is cheap. So stay tuned. This is my latest project. Let's hope I get it back to where I gotta go safely. I gotta drive over 1,000 miles with a trailer, and this is my first time ever doing it. So it's gonna take me forever to get to where I gotta go. But stay tuned. Like, subscribe, watch my videos, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. You don't like them, say they suck. You like them, tell me you like them. But until then, stay tuned.